After 5 years of trading in the forex market, let me be brutally honest with you. Trading is not really what you think. You know, as a newbie, or when you first know forex, or what is being portrayed on social media, like portrayed on social media on Instagram, you know, it's not as the same. I've blown accounts, I've lost funded accounts, I've lost personal money, I've overtraded, missed opportunities, you know, I've done everything, all the mistakes within the last 5 years. And after seeing the realities of the market, I've come to my own conclusions. And in these videos, I'm going to be sharing 5 years of lessons and the truth nobody tells you about the markets, and some of the things that keeps traders stuck when it comes to trading. So let's get cracking. First, I've sectioned this video into 5 sections. We're going to be talking about MLMs. We're also going to be talking about the fact that no one can give you a 1 month masterclass in trading and expect you to start making money the next month. You can be lucky for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 2 months at most. Then reality will catch up with you. It's just the realities of trading is pardon me. It's just the realities of trading. It's not something anyone can do anything about. It's just a pattern. It's just like you're trying to become an engineer or you're going into medicine. You're going to have to go through the process. You're going to have to go through the motion of learning the skill. So the third point is continuous study. Still, referring back to learning the skill, you have to continuously study if you want to become, a big player in this game. And the fourth on my list, the trap of jumping strategies called strategy hopping. We're going to be discussing that. And then finally, we are going to discuss, flight of, hold on, flight or fight mode, hesitation and everything in between. So, yeah, so MLMs technically means multi-level marketing trading. So, like the type of ones that come to meet you and say, join this person will become the chain to this person becomes the senior. Nah, when you hear anything like that, that's not trading forex. That's probably digital marketing or probably trading something else. But trading forex, being a participant in trading the forex market, is not what an MLM can teach you. One of the things that are beneficial about the MLM is because for me, I started off with IML, so it's a multi-level marketing platform. So them introducing me into trading is the benefit. So it's just like everything happens for a reason type shit. So they brought me into, they put my awareness into something like this, and excuse me, and I'm grateful for all of that. So, but I won't teach you trading. You're going to have to go learn trading on your own. If you want to become a digital marketer, if you want to aspire to climb ranks, yes, MLM can help you do all of that. But if you want to be a trader, if you want to be a forex trader, if you want to be a currency trader, if you want to be a crypto trader, if you want to delve into stocks, MLMs are not the way to go. So number two, no one can give you a what's it called, a 1 month masterclass in trading. Like, let's say they spring you up like this, boom, a newbie, and somebody will give you a 1 month masterclass. When you hear something like that, just know it's meh. When I mean meh, I mean like it's like dog shit. Trading is a business, so it's a skill. It's like I want to go and learn how to golf. I can't play the same level as what's this top golfers. One of the top, like Tiger Wood. I can never play like Tiger Wood because the difference between me and him is the fact that he has a desire to do what he's doing, and apart from the desire to do what he's doing, sorry, I'm getting some notifications, so let me just put my put this on do not disturb so we can focus. Were you? Okay, I can't find it. Yeah, back to what we are talking about. So no one can give you a masterclass, a 1 month masterclass. You have to go through the motion yourself. Somebody can teach you trading for a year, and when the person leaves you, you start fighting a lot of things because trading exposes you to you. It makes you confront your demon. It makes you touch the deepest pits of fears you have. So even after a year of teaching you how to trade, then you have to still go and confront yourself. So a 1 month masterclass is just dog shit. Remember this all the time. Continuous learning. That's when phase three now. Continuous learning, continuous study. I've been in this space 5 years, and to God, grateful to God for this journey because it has really pushed me into confronting all the things I'm scared of, all my fears, all the things that make me push back. I have to confront it head on to be able to achieve the goals I need to achieve. Let's say I find out that I risk too much in a trade, and that is one of my fears because I'm trying to make money as soon as possible. I have to confront that to be able to go ahead in my trading, solving my trading puzzles. So I have to sort it out. So that means I'm confronting, you know, a roadblock. So that's what trading does to you. So you have to continuously learn, continuously study your material, mark up your levels, you know, make sure your chart is clean as possible, get in depth, in tune with your strategy, know when the sessions your strategy perform the best, all of these things together. And number four on the list, so is continuous study, continuous learning, continuous, revising the paper, revising the script, getting better with your A plus setup. So it's just a lot of continuous study. That's what trading is all about. Then fourth on the list, we're going to be talking about, you know, strategy hopping. So this loop, I was in this loop for more than 3 years. Even this year, I still had to really fight myself. I think I got the hang of it last year. As soon as a strategy starts underperforming, you jump to the next strategy. You jump to the next strategy. And starting out as a newbie, you don't know your strategy needs to be tested at least 2,000, you know, 2,000 setups. Your muscle memory should be on go mode all the time. So jumping after you become good at this strategy, you're jumping to the next strategy. You have to redo those stuff you need to do. Why don't you just focus on one and dial in? The market rewards everyone, every strategy. So if you want to cut down your learning curve, do not strategy hop. Make sure you find something that work. Find a mentor, somebody that's reliable, teach you, learn, then create. Be a creator of your own strategy. Do what works for you in terms of what time do you want to trade? How quick do you want to make your money? Do you want to make your money on the 5 minutes time frame? Excuse me, please. Or you can, wait on the 4 hour time frame for 5 days to get your play. Trading gives you the opportunity to be creative, create your timing, create your freedom, create everything you want. So you need to focus on one strategy, dial in, and get the reward. And finally, we're going to jump on emotions. Trading will haunt you. Remember, the title of this video is 5 years of brutally honest truths. Trading will haunt you, because when I mean haunt you, it will push you to confront your demons. Trading will expose you to who you really are. Then you have to confront who you really are to be able to make progress. Sometimes you find yourself in the market, the candle has not closed, but your urge to want to jump the gun, you take the trade, you lose. Sometimes the market has not even gotten to your marked up area, but you want to be faster, get it quickly. Trading teaches you patience. It makes you confront a lot of things. So trading generally is a journey. I don't want this video to be very long. I just want to dial in with you guys as I journey this journey of trading, and you guys are journeying with me. I need you to understand we are going through a consistent motions of studying here. Every year is different. 2025 price action, 2026 price action. It's going to be totally different. The participants are going to be totally different. So you need to know what's working, stay with what's working. If you don't know what's working, learn from who knows what's working. And you need to find your way to filter trades, because the forex space is very dicey. That's the word. Excuse me. So totality of this video, forex is real. There's money. But the money comes from discipline. It comes from patience. It comes from doing what is right. It doesn't come from risking unnecessarily. It comes from risking on the right things. When we mean risking on the right things, when I say risking on the right things, you know your data. You know the pairs that work for you. You know if you're a day trader or a swing trader. You know if you're a scalper. You know the time frames you trade. All of this intertwines into what makes you unique as a trader and being in this journey. So stay on course, stay on track, and keep working. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, because this your like, your comment, and share really helps us as a team to keep building. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.